Portable workbenches have evolved significantly. In 2026, they're more capable, lighter, and smarter than previous generations. Today, we're covering 7 of the top choices available right now. One collapses like a suitcase, yet opens into a surface so rock-solid you'd never guess its weight. Another channels traditional bench energy with a clamping system that handles even the most demanding projects. There's plenty more, from intelligent clamps to reinforced legs. Let's break down what each one brings to your workspace. First up is something that goes beyond simply folding away when the job's finished. The Worx Pegasus isn't your average workbench. It converts between a table and a sawhorse, making it far more versatile than typical folding stands on the market. What truly sets it apart is its surprising stability considering how lightweight it is. This table handles up to 1,000 pounds, yet collapses flat enough to slide behind a door or load into your vehicle without any struggle. Wood panels, doors, stacked materials, it keeps everything secure. The built-in clamps and clamp dogs lock your workpiece exactly where you need it. A small but practical lower shelf keeps tools and accessories off the ground, saving your back from constant bending. Planning a bigger project? Connected to another Pegasus unit and instantly expand your workspace without complicated configuration. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or organizing materials, this bench adapts to the task. Coming up next is a table from Bosch that emphasizes a cleaner design and smoother operation. This Bosch model brings a more polished experience with attention to detail. The PWB 600 prioritizes fast deployment and easy handling, which is valuable when navigating tight spaces or frequently changing locations. No tools required to set it up. The whole process takes just a few seconds. What distinguishes it is the bamboo work surface. Beyond aesthetics, bamboo handles daily wear impressively well and delivers a flatter, more consistent surface, particularly beneficial for precision tasks requiring extra steadiness. The clamping jaws accommodate various shapes, gripping round pipes and bulky, irregular pieces without losing hold. Rated for roughly 200 kilograms, it covers medium-duty work like furniture repair or shelf sanding comfortably. A built-in accessory tray ensures screws and small tools stay accessible instead of disappearing off the edge. When finished, the aluminum frame folds flat, making transport and storage genuinely effortless. Switching gears now to something ultra-portable, lighter and more mobile, but still impressively capable. The Worx Sidekick is a remarkable combination of minimal weight and real strength. At just 12 pounds, it still supports up to 300 pounds, packing considerable value into a compact footprint. Its folding design cuts the size in half, simplifying both carrying and storage. Unfolded, and you have a flat, capable surface ready for various applications in seconds. No tools, no complicated steps. The patterned metal legs maintain stability across hard floors without sinking into softer outdoor surfaces. Whether it's a workshop task or a quick outdoor setup at a tailgate, the Sidekick travels anywhere without complaint. One standout feature? Multiple units connect together using the included link locks, letting you build a larger combined work area whenever bigger projects demand more surface space. Next, we examine a more rugged, heavy-duty option. If you've ever needed a dependable workbench brought directly to the job site without heavy lifting, this Keter model delivers exactly that for both professionals and dedicated hobbyists. Its entire design centers around efficiency. The table folds completely flat and fully deploys in under 30 seconds without any tools. Once standing, you have approximately 5 square feet of solid workspace capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds. Miter saws, heavy lumber, bulky materials, this surface handles everything steadily. 2 included clamps secure materials horizontally or vertically, giving you greater control throughout any task. A lower storage shelf keeps essential tools close, eliminating constant trips back to your toolbox. Weather-resistant plastic construction combined with aluminum legs means rust and deterioration aren't concerns, even through rough conditions. Despite its toughness, it packs slim and stores away cleanly between uses. If you prefer a more traditional hands-on experience, the Black & Decker Workmate Plus deserves serious consideration. It carries classic workbench character while incorporating modern versatility that today's projects require. It functions as a bench, sawhorse, tool stand, and even a vise, covering multiple roles with one purchase. The vise system is particularly impressive. Clamps adjust single-handedly, operating independently or together, accommodating awkward shapes and oversized materials with ease. The front jaw pivots upward, allowing vertical grip on tall pieces without complications. A robust steel frame handles up to 250 kilograms, covering most household and moderate professional jobs reliably. Rubber feet prevent sliding, while adjustable pegs and grooved jaws keep workpieces firmly positioned. Folded flat when the job ends, it tucks into corners or loads into vehicles without consuming excess space. Moving ahead to a DeWalt option that prioritizes pure speed and simplicity. This bench represents exceptional convenience, ranking among the fastest workbenches to deploy anywhere. The DeWalt Express Folding Workbench transitions from flat-packed to fully operational in under 3 seconds, ideal when you're eager to start rather than spend time preparing equipment. The work surface offers generous room for materials and tools alike. Strategically placed holes across the tabletop make clamping straightforward from virtually any position. For anyone who regularly handles oversized pieces, this matters significantly. Trigger clamps attach to nearly any configuration, while the solid metal frame provides a reliable foundation for demanding tasks. The DeWalt Express supports up to 1,000 pounds, handling cutting, sanding, and large-scale assembly without hesitation. A clever detail worth noting, the carrying handle doubles as a tool hanger, reducing clutter throughout your workspace effortlessly. For a completely different approach to portable workspace solutions, consider the Pony 2-in-1 Folding Workbench. Whether you're working outdoors, inside a garage, or on an active job site, this bench offers genuine versatility through its dual-mode design, rapidly converting between a stable workbench and a reliable sawhorse. That flexibility meaningfully expands where and how you accomplish your work. In bench mode, a broad tabletop features integrated measurement markings and over 30 holes, supporting countless clamping configurations. 4 trigger clamps, 2 medium and 2 lighter duty, plus large and small bench dogs, keep materials firmly controlled regardless of orientation. Switching to sawhorse mode unlocks support for up to 1,000 pounds, while bench mode handles 500. Height-adjustable legs ranging from 30 to 35 inches accommodate uneven terrain and varying project sizes. Storage is equally straightforward. Locking latches secure it folded flat, and a built-in shelf below holds hardware or tools. The aluminum frame balances strength against weight impressively, while non-slip feet maintain stability on any surface. So, there you have it. A thorough overview of the finest portable workbenches available in 2026, from the adaptable Worx Pegasus and the compact Sidekick to the rapid-deploying DeWalt Express and the cleverly designed Pony 2-in-1. Every option brings something distinctive. Whether your priorities are portability, load capacity, or expanded functionality, there's something here for every type of worker. Which bench would you choose for your next project? Drop your thoughts below. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tool reviews, head-to-head comparisons, and buying guidance. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.